Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So we do have leaked photos. Hopefully this is true. This is coming from Sneaker News, but we do have rumors of a new SB4 coming out, a Jordan 4 SB Varsity Red, releasing in spring of 2025. I am very excited about this shoe because I didn't get my chance to get the green pair. I know that my sizes, when they first came out, were hovering about $400, and I still didn't even pull the trigger on it because I don't really rock a lot of green, but I can see myself being able to pull these red ones off. Kind of reminds me of that candy cane. That's what I'm gonna call these. But I am a big fan of the fours, and SBs are supposed to be one of the most comfortable fours out there. I can see these doing very well and selling out. What do you think about these, my brother?
Hey, I can see them doing quite well too. I'm just price point. Price point go tell it all. Price point it all. So Jordan Brand, hey, put some thought, behind those price points, right? Especially with the economy doing what it's doing, just put some thought behind those prices. I'm very interested in seeing what's what come next year with this shoe. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you guys looking forward to next year.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from 2 to the 8 June. Starting off on June 6th, we did have a Jordan 5 low, Miami Hurricanes. Unfortunately, this shoe only came out for the Bays. And unfortunately, because of that high price point, and my bros keep harping on 140, pretty much all sizes are available. 3.5Y to 6.5Y is still available. The 7Y did sell out. However, this is a very unique colorway. Most people are going to be rocking these in Florida. But again, with the high price point, no one's spending that kind of money on Bays. So Jordan Brand, if you're listening out there, recommend to lower that price at least 120, 100 for the Bays. They just little kids, man. Give them a break.
Hey, it really don't make sense to drop that shoe with that price point during the summer when school is out, right? So what would we go wait till school ends so they can wear them, or you just go buy them so they can go outside and stuff them up, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
it really didn't make any sense. The timing to drop that shoe going into the summer, that's a clean shoe. Come on, Jordan Brand, put some thought behind what we're doing, right? Hey, if you need any help, hey, you got two sneakerhead bros right here that love to sit in on that board meet and just give our honest opinion.
Yes, sir. We're moving on to the last shoe of the week. What we got, my brother?
So on June the 8th, we did have Air Jordan 6 Reverse Oreo. This was a men's pair of shoes. Price point for those were $200. According to Nike.com, sizes 7 through 14 is still available. I say it again, 7 through 14, according to Nike.com, is still available. Wonder why? Could it be the price point? Duh. Come on, Jordan Brand. Up behind what we're doing. It's a clean shoe. I love the shoe. I really love the shoe, but the price point of $200, hey, it's fitting for the summer. It's a nice clean shoe. I can see you, putting together a few outfits with that shoe, but that price point. Put some thought behind what we're doing, Jordan Brand. Hey, at least drop us a comment down below and let us know if we're on point with what we're saying. But these price points are getting ridiculous. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you agree or disagree.
Yes, sir. So I did think that was a clean shoe for the summer. I did think the panda colorway would do a lot better than the red Oreos did. These are sitting. Let us know down in the comments. Are they sitting at your mall? Anywhere? I haven't went to check our mall to see if these are sitting, but most likely they are. And just to throw a question out there, does anybody know the difference between when the Jordan 6s, we see some of them just have the Jumpman on the back, then some of them have Jordan, the Jumpman with the air underneath it as well. So let us know if you know any details on that. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you guys continue to love content like this. Hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.